May advocacy ka pero walang nakikinig. You're passionate at marami kang alam pero sa dami ng ingay online, parang walang nakakarinig. Walang traction, walang support, walang exposure. Nakakapagod, di ba? You know, you can help more people. But you feel stuck. Lagi ikaw na lang ang tagapakinig. Kailan kaya ikaw naman ang maririnig? That's why I built this online mentorship program. Dito, tinutulungan kitang i-package ang story mo, i-build ang personal brand mo as a mentor with a message. At i-connect sa mga events, local and national, kung saan may real people, business owners, advocates, investors, at isang supportive community who values impact over hype. This isn't just coaching. This is elevation. Together, we turn your advocacy into authority, your passion into positioning, and you into the next mentor others look up. Ready ka na bang marinig at makilala? Comment mentor below or DM me directly. Slots are limited, but your potential's unlimited. Tara, let's grow together.